If you are the person who is taking care of a COVID positive patient who is in home isolation, then this video can be super beneficial to you. The central government has released revised guidelines for home isolation of mild and asymptomatic COVID-19 cases. In this video, we will discuss about the instructions for caregivers, how they should maintain their health, and also how to dispose biomedical waste. The caregiver should wear a triple layer medical mask. Apart from the triple layer mask, N95 mask may be considered when in the same room with the ill person. Remember, front portion of the mask should not be touched or handled during use. If the mask gets wet or dirty with secretions, it must be changed immediately. Discard the mask after use and perform hand hygiene after disposal of the mask. Caretakers should also avoid touching their own face, nose or mouth. Hand hygiene must be ensured following contact with the ill person or his immediate environment. Hand hygiene should also be practiced before and after preparing food, before eating, after using toilet, and whenever hands look dirty. Use soap and water for hand washing at least for 40 seconds. Alcohol-based hand rub can also be used if hands are not visibly soiled. After using soap and water, use of disposable paper towels to dry hands is desirable. If not available, use dedicated clean cloth towels and replace them when they become wet. Also, don't forget to perform hand hygiene before and after removing the gloves. Avoid direct contact with the body fluids of the patient, particularly oral or respiratory secretions. Use disposable gloves while handling the patient. Avoid exposure to potentially contaminated items in his immediate environment. Food must be provided to the patient in his room. Utensils and dishes used by the patient should be cleaned with soap or detergent and water wearing gloves. After cleaning utensils, it can be reused. Effective waste disposal should be ensured so as to prevent further spread of infection. General solid waste generated from quarantine centers or camps should be collected in bags that is securely tied and handed over to municipal solid waste collector identified by urban local bodies for final disposal. General solid waste should comprise of waste generated from kitchen, packaging material, waste food material, waste papers, waste plastics, floor cleaning, dust, etc., including leftover food, disposable utensils, water bottles, Tetra packs, only to be used mask, gloves and tissue swabs contaminated with blood and body fluids of COVID-19 patient, including syringes, medicines, etc., should be treated as biomedical waste. Biomedical waste, if any generated from quarantine centers or camps, should be collected separately in yellow bags. Patients must be in communication with a treating physician and promptly report in case of any deterioration. Continue the medications for other comorbid illness after consulting the treating physician. Patients may perform warm water gargles or take steam inhalation twice a day. If the fever is not controlled by a maximum dose of tablet paracetamol 650 mg 4 times a day, consult the treating doctor. The decision to administer remdesivir or any other investigational therapy must be taken by a medical professional. It should be administered only if the patient is admitted in a hospital. Make sure not to attempt to procure or administer remdesivir at home. In order to further prevent complications, blood thinners are given to patients who are in condition that could raise risk of getting blood clots. In the recent episode of Mann Ki Baat, Dr. Joshi shared that there is an injection called hairpin for thinning blood. This injection can be really helpful, but remember not to attempt to use it at home. It is mandatory to only consume blood thinners post advice from doctors. In case of falling oxygen saturation or shortness of breath, the person should require hospital admission and seek immediate consultation of their physician. In addition, the guidelines on home quarantine for other members should be followed. We are displaying the link on the screen and are also attaching the same in the description box. With this, we come to the end of this video. Take good care of yourself and make sure to get yourself vaccinated.